Top of mind for our clients today and for us as business professionals is data privacy. And I know that you and your team are doing an incredible job globally in being heavily involved in shaping the policies around data privacy. Tell us a little bit about that.
It's a very interesting dynamic because obviously for technology products and services, as with any service in any industry, trust is fundamentally important. And that's true across all ITI member companies, regardless of whether they're consumer facing or serving companies or operating networks. Data privacy is of paramount importance. We have some challenges in the industry today, particularly in technology policy circles, of telling that story of trust. I would say the technology industry generally does not ask for regulation, doesn't actively seek legislation.
Yes.
But this is a unique area where that's actually not true. We have supported federal data privacy legislation because we think a national unified approach in the U.S., one that works in conjunction with regimes like GDPR in Europe that are already in force, will allow our member companies, all of which, like Grant Thornton, operate around the world,
Yes.
To operate in a way that allows data privacy to become a part of the business without having to change the way in which it's deployed as you hit a border. Data doesn't by itself recognize an international border or a state border here in the US. And we think uniform privacy legislation at the federal level in the US is going to be important to allow our member companies to help restore that trust from their clients and their customers.